Let us see the programming 8085 programming. So first example is 2 8-bit addition. So here we can take data 1. So the data 1 is one 8-bit number. Here I assume 08hex. That means the 08 is a hexadecimal value. This hexadecimal value is going to given for the microprocessor for operation. That is addition operation. So because why we use 8-bit hexadecimal value here means as a user or programmer we can able to take only hexadecimal value, but as a microprocessor it accepts only binary data. So the hexadecimal value 08 equivalent binary value is 00001000. So this binary values are accepted by the microprocessor for processing. So whenever you want to perform any kind of operation, it may be addition or subtraction, multiplication, division or logical operation like AND or XOR, NOT, likewise what kind of operation you want to do, any kind of operation can be done with the help of hexadecimal data or values given by the programmer or a user, and this everything can be converted into binary, and this will be taken for the processing. After decoding this particular data, finally the entire instruction will be executed. So this is a common procedure is applicable for the microprocessor. So here I take another 8-bit value that is called as 02H. So 02 is a hexadecimal value and the corresponding binary value will be 40 and 0010. So now these two data are taken by the processor for addition operation. Now we are going to perform addition operation. So what will happen? Our result will be, if you add these two values, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 0 0. Your result will be 1 plus 1 1. So your result will be 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0. So the lower nibble and the upper nibble. So in 8085 or any kind of microprocessor or microcontroller, this 8-bit data can be classified into two 4-bit of group of values. The lower 4-bit of values is called as one nibble, lower nibble, and higher 4-bit of data are called as higher nibble. So this 1010 binary equivalent value is A in hexa format, and 0000 equivalent in hexa format is 0. So our result after addition operation, the data 1 and data 2 will be adding, and your final result will be 00001010, and the corresponding answer is in the form of hexadecimal is 0AH. So 0AH. So this is a concept for performing addition operation in 8085. So for this now we are going to write the assembly language program. So normally we are going to use assembly language program. Simply we set assembly language program is a ALP program. So we can take method 1. So here I take method 1. First immediately I will get the data from 2 register. So the immediate data 08 is the first data. This hexadecimal value is immediately moved to the accumulator register. So the mnemonic MBI represent, I is called as immediate and MB represent move. So immediately this 08 8-bit value is moved to the accumulator register. This is the entire explanation for the MBI A,08. So this instruction is a 2-byte instruction. So why we say this MBI A,08 is a 2-byte instruction means this particular instruction should be allotted by 2 bytes for execution. So here we can take a program counter address. So this program counter address is used to store the entire program. How many number of lines you are going to take for the particular operation. So each and every line of mnemonics can be stored in the particular address. So which is called as a program counter address. So I just take 4100. It is a starting address of the microprocessor program, that is to 8-bit addition. So this MVA A,08 instruction values, that is opcode, is stored in the 4100. So before going to see this, we are going to load this opcode and operand of the corresponding mnemonics can be stored in the program counter address consecutively. So 4100 address is used to store the opcode of this particular instruction. So for example, MVA A,08 opcode is 3E. So this 3E is stored in this 4100. After this immediate data 08 should be moved to the next consecutive address of the program counter. So 4102, in this address the 08 value can be moved. So these 2 bytes are properly allotted, then only this particular MVA A,08 instruction can be decoded and executed properly. So in case if you miss to put the 3E or 08 in any one particular address, automatically this instruction will not be executed. It will show the error in the execution kit. So this is the first mnemonics we are going to take for adding to 8-bit values. So we get the first data in accumulator register. Similarly, we take another data MVA B,02. So this 02 is immediately moved to B register. So this corresponding values can be stored in consecutive address of 4103. This corresponding mnemonics, for example 06, I just take 06. So because each and every kind of mnemonics are having separate opcode which is already framed by the Intel Corporation, so which is available. So based on this instruction set mnemonics, we are going to use the opcode sheet, and which is used to write the program in proper manner. So this 4103 MVA B,002 corresponding opcode is stored in 410306, and 4104 is a 02 immediate value. So this can be stored in this 4104. Next we can perform addition operation, that is add B. So what is the operation here taken place? Here A tends to 08, that is the first data is immediately moved to accumulator register. So for second mnemonic, the second data immediately moved to B register, and add B means accumulator register which is used to store the addition of both to accumulator value and the B register value. So already we gave 08 in accumulator, 02 in B register. Both are added and the result of 0A can be stored in accumulator register itself. So this operation is taken place in add. So now you want to store this result in any particular address. So at that time we just take the STA 4300. So here STA means stored accumulator value in 4300 address. So this address is called as a output address. So here this STA instruction is a 3-byte instruction. So according to that, this add B instruction is a 1-byte instruction. So this add B instruction can be used to store the opcode of 80 in 4105 address. Similarly, 4106 is the next consecutive address. The corresponding opcode of STA 32 is stored in this memory location, and this 4107 is next consecutive address. In this address, the lower 2-bit of value of output address can be stored. Similarly, 4108 is the next consecutive address. Here the higher order 2-bit of 8-bit value can be stored in this 4108 address. So finally we can store the entire output value. So at last we can conclude our program, because we need to end the program. So we simply write halt. So you are going to stop the execution of the program. So halt instruction is taken place. So the corresponding halt instruction opcode is 76 in 8085. So this particular values will be given. So if we are taking first mnemonic, second, third, fourth, 5. So totally in our method 1 of addition of 2 8-bit values addition program, we are taking here 5 mnemonics or 5 lines of programming, that is assembly language programming. So for that we have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this much number of bytes should be allotted properly. So for 5 lines of programming, 9 bytes of allocation is essential. In case if any 1 or 2 opcode or operand is missing, automatically this program will not be executed and decoded. So this is the entire execution. So at last, what is your final result which can be shown by the 8085 microprocessor circuit in output address 4300. We can show the output 0A because the addition of 0, 8 and 02 will be the 0A. So this value can be stored in this 0A value in 4300 address. So this example is only for adding 2 8-bit of values, that is addition of 2 8-bit numbers using 8085 microprocessor without carry. So if any carry is occurred, we have to move for another program. So this is a basic concept you have to remember. So all these students must understand this basic information. So there are 3 kind of byte allocations are available. One is instruction bytes. Simply we can say instruction bytes. So for 1 byte instruction, 1 byte instruction and 2 byte instruction, 3 byte instruction. So based on this 3 category of instruction set and classification of instruction, data transfer or arithmetic or logical or control instruction, based on this instruction set and instruction byte format only, we are going to write the assembly language programming 8085 microprocessor. Thank you all.